Hey, have you heard about the Google Project Management certification? I'm thinking of getting certified.
Definitely. It's a great way to learn project management skills and showcase your expertise. Plus, it's recognized by top companies like Google and Deloitte.
That's good to know. Is the certification useful for getting a job in project management?
Absolutely. According to the PMI salary survey, certified project managers earn higher salaries than those without certification. Plus, Google's certification website has a job board specifically for certified professionals.
Interesting. How much does the certification cost?
It's only $299, which is much cheaper than other project management certifications like PMP.
Wow, that's affordable. Is the certification difficult to obtain?
It's challenging, but doable. The certification requires passing an online exam and completing a project. But with dedication and practice, you can succeed.
Great to know. Is the certification equivalent to PMP?
It's not the same as PMP, but it covers similar project management principles. And it's recognized by top companies like Google, so it's definitely worth considering.
Interesting. Can you finish the certification in a week?
It's designed to take about 6 months to complete, but you can work at your own pace. Just make sure to dedicate enough time each week to stay on track.
Got it. How do I put the certification on my resume?
You can list it under your education or certification section, along with the date of completion and the issuing organization. Don't forget to highlight any relevant skills or projects you completed during the certification process.
Thanks for the tips. Which Google certification is the easiest to obtain?
I wouldn't say any of them are easy, but the Google Analytics certification is a good starting point for beginners.
Good to know. Is PMP still worth pursuing?
Absolutely. PMP is a globally recognized project management certification and can open doors to many job opportunities. It's definitely worth considering if you have the time and resources.
Thanks for the insights. I'm excited to pursue the Google Project Management certification.
You've got this. Let's keep supporting each other on our certification journeys.